Many thanks for choosing us. The Special Prosecutor Kisia Jabin has been accused of deploying tactics geared at delaying court processes. This accusation is coming from lawyers for former Secretary of the defunct Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining, Charles Bissue. Mr. Bissue, who was filmed in an investigative documentary allegedly receiving bribes, is in court seeking to stop the Special Prosecutor from prosecuting him. He contends he was exonerated of the accusation by the police and cannot be investigated against. Court correspondent Joseph Akable was in court and has filed this report.
Lawyers for the Office of Special Prosecutor have filed documents indicating a conditional appearance. Now, this means that they have some protests that they intend to register about the process that have been filed by lawyers for Charles Bissue, and that they did indicate to the court that they will be making arguments urging the courts to dismiss this particular matter because of the concerns that they have. There was also the presence of a lawyer who represented Tiger Eye Private Investigation, the firm that carried out the investigations, as well as lawyers for the journalist Anas Arimia Anas. Now, those two entities have also indicated that they've not been served with the documents that have been filed, and so the court did indicate that it's going to adjourn the matter for all those documents to be filed. But lawyers for Mr. Bissue, led by Nana J. Bafuewa, had some concerns, and that was to the effect that they were hoping that the process that have been filed by the Special Prosecutor specifically were not a case of playing tricks or engaging in some malice of sort, all geared at delaying the process that had been filed, specifically the injunction, the one asking the courts to restrain the Special Prosecutor from investigating and prosecuting Charles Bissue. And so the court did indicate, and two comments from the Office of the Special Prosecutor, where the legal practitioner did indicate that they will argue forcefully and lead evidence where relevant to show that this is a matter that should be dismissed and that the Special Prosecutor should be allowed to carry out its investigation and prosecution of Charles Bissue. The matter is back in court on February 6, 2023. For Joy News from the Law Court Complex, my name is Joseph Akable.